Hi, you may have seen my previous videos, and basically, those are all AI generated videos. So I actually received some negative and some positive also feedbacks regarding those videos. The positive one was that people liked the content. However, they didn't like the fact that everything is AI generated, especially my videos, and even my voice was AI generated. So I decided that basically stop publishing those, even though I actually piled up, at least 5 or 6 of them to publish every day, and switch completely to the opposite side and just, record my video unrehearsed and basically just raw video. And so from now on, I'm hoping that of course, the content which I'm going to generate are going to be using AI, but the video is going to be just plain video. I'm just talking in front of the camera and see how it goes. And I'm hoping that more or less people like this more than the previous one. It's not going to be that much polished, and of course, I'll have my own gaffe and my own issues regarding speaking and so on. But at the end is plain me. I'm just talking in front of you, and hopefully people like it more than others. Okay, so let me also tell you what are these videos all about and who is the target audience. So the target audience are people who are familiar with AI, who are familiar with how to work with models, how to develop agentic framework, and so on. And we at Brazen Lab, we are a group of people that we are working on 2 separate projects. And I'm going to post one after, alternatively on these 2 projects. One is that how we can basically develop AI agent reliable and safe. And basically, what are the issues that we have to worry about when we are deploying these AI agents. And the second is that if we want to, for example, leverage the top open source models and be able to use them in enterprise and so on, what is the cheapest way or best way that we can basically, run these models and also fine tune these models, and even at some cases, distill the model and so on and so forth. So such that, for example, we are not tied to, expensive clusters and so on the cloud. So these are the main 2 subjects, and I'm hoping that the discussion would be fruitful for you. Okay, thank you.